87% of the American workforce gets to work in a car, truck, or van. Less than 3% walk to work, and less than 1% bike to work. The average travel time to work for Americans is 25.3 minutes. The record low in Colorado was measured at 61 degrees below zero on February 1st, 1985. The highest temperature in Colorado was measured at 114 degrees on July 11, 1954. The average American, on the average day, spends 8 hours and 40 minutes sleeping, 1 hour and 28 minutes on personal care, 1 hour and 15 minutes eating and drinking, 20 minutes exercising, and 2.5 hours watching TV. There are only 60 vehicles per 1,000 people in Jamaica, only 382 television sets per 1,000 people, and only about 10% of the population has telephone lines. Statistics make presentations more interesting and often can make arguments more powerful and persuasive. No one collects more statistics than the United States government. FedStats is a database that helps researchers sort through all the statistics that the government publishes. Find FedStats through the database's A to Z list. Let's take a look at the database. There are several ways to find information. Topic links, MapStats, and agencies by subject will be the most useful searches. Let's start with topic links and look for statistics on marriage and divorce. We'll click on V to start with because marriage and divorce are part of what is called vital statistics. Vital statistics include birth, death, marriage, divorce, and life expectancy statistics. If you didn't know that marriage and divorce statistics would be categorized under vital statistics, it is easy to do a Control F search. Holding the Control and F keys down at the same time should open a search box that will search the web page or document for a specific word or phrase. Let's see how many times marriage is listed in this index. It is listed under both M for marriage and under V for vital statistics. Clicking on the link, we find that 4,154,000 people married in 2009. Take note that the divorce rate is exactly half of the marriage rate. Let's look at MapStats for Colorado. One column of numbers is for Colorado and the other for the entire U.S. There are all sorts of statistics here, including the percent of individuals with a bachelor's degree or higher. The percentage of Coloradans with at least a bachelor's degree is quite a bit higher than the national percentage, and you'll soon be joining their ranks. Before we leave MapStats, take a note that we can select a county or a city to search by. Lastly, we'll back up and look at agencies by subject and choose health. These are the agencies that report various types of health statistics. The National Center for Health Statistics, near the middle of the page, is one of the best places to go for health information. It is the principal agency that produces general health statistics. Let's look for the National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders. Instead of scrolling down to find it, I will use the Control F command again and look for deafness. Look for a statistics link and then for voice and speech disorders. And quick statistics. In a matter of seconds, we find that 7.5 million people in the United States have trouble using their voices. So that's FedStats. It's a great place to find numbers for your research. And a couple more statistics to end this video on. Lady Gaga has the most followers on Twitter. As of May 18, 2012, she had over 24 million. And one of the oddest things sold on eBay at $14,000 was a piece of chewing gum supposedly spat out by Britney Spears. Yes, 14,000. No, really, 14,000.